Welcome back, landlords. Are you dealing with a bad tenant? You have late rent, property damage, or lease violations? These can push even experienced landlords to their limit. But don't panic. You just need a plan, and we have one for you. In this video, we'll walk you through how to legally evict a bad tenant, step by step, to help avoid getting sued. So step 1, know the laws. Eviction laws vary by state, and messing this part up can land you in serious legal trouble. Start by reading up on your local landlord-tenant laws. These laws cover notice periods, acceptable reasons for evictions, required paperwork, just cause eviction laws, and in a number of states, including Colorado, California, New York, and others, landlords need a cause to evict or not renew a lease. Reasons to evict or not renew a lease include non-payment of rent, lease term violations, criminal activity. Exemptions to just cause evictions include landlord or family moving into the property, substantial renovations, taking properties off the market. TurboTenant offers free state-specific landlord guides at turbotenant.com/state. Check them and your legislator's website to confirm before you make a move. Remember, take emotions out of it and follow the law. Step 2 is try to resolve the issue first. We get it, this probably seems pretty obvious, but sometimes a conversation is really all it can take. Reach out to your tenant and document your attempts to contact them. Maybe one of these reasons is why they're in trouble. They missed a paycheck, there's some miscommunication. Maybe it's something they're willing to fix. Promise you this route would be a lot easier because no matter what the reason, in court you'll look reasonable to the judge if you try these things and document them and make the effort. You're not just a landlord, you're a business owner. Lead with professionalism. Step 3, we have a partner, Easy Evict USA. If communication doesn't work and you don't have time to run this process through, consider reaching out to Easy Evict USA. The link is in this description, right below. They can evict your tenant on your behalf. If you would rather do it yourself, then let's keep watching and let's learn some more. Next step, serve proper notice. Again, if talking doesn't work, it's time to serve notice. Depending on your situation, this notice could be a pay or quit notice for unpaid rent, a cure or quit notice for lease violations, or an unconditional quit notice for serious repeat offenses. Here's where understanding your state's laws really matters. Use the exact language they require. Step 5, file the eviction lawsuit. If the tenant refuses to comply with the notice, that's when you'll need to file an eviction lawsuit, also called an unlawful detainer. Legal terms can sound intimidating, but your local clerk can help you with the basics. Keep records of everything, including payments, messages, photos, notices. The more paperwork and things you have, the better. These are all critical in court, and you can store them safely within TurboTenant. Step 6, attend the hearing. Dress professionally. Bring your documentation. Be calm, factual, and respectful. Judges don't want to deal with nonsense, and they just want the evidence. If you follow the legal process correctly, you'll set yourself up for success. If it goes in your favor, the judge will order the tenant to move out, or pay what's owed, or both. If you're prepared, there's nothing to worry about. Step 7, regain possession legally. If the tenant still won't leave, don't take matters into your own hands. Don't change the locks or shut off utilities. That's called a self-help eviction, and they're illegal. Work with the sheriff or local official to remove the tenant legally. It might take time, but following this step protects you from lawsuits and liability. Step 8, learn from it and prevent it next time. Don't do this twice. Evictions are a headache, but they're also learning opportunities. Next time, screen smarter with TurboTenant. You can run credit, criminal, eviction histories to identify potential red flags before the tenant moves in. Also use one of our rock-solid leases to set clear rules and enforce them early. Be consistent. But that's not all. With TurboTenant, you can market a property, send digital applications, collect rent, and more from one free or low-price platform. Evictions are tough, but they don't have to ruin your business. Stay legal, stay professional, and stay in control. Be sure to like this video if it helped you, and comment any questions you have, and we're happy to jump in and try and answer them. Subscribe our channel for more landlord tips every week. And if you're ready to start making managing properties easy, sign up for free at TurboTenant.com. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you next week.